Do you know that your mother can walk into your room incidentally and meet you naked as a man? And your mother would like, this boy, you are too careless. This man, take a cloth and cover you up and walk away without anything. But that's not to be said of your boss. Your madam boss, who you say is your mother, can walk into you and meet that thing. And like, ooh. And she doesn't take it as anything. But because she picture it, it could stamp into her heart and Satan will magnify the picture. And she keep desiring to see more. Do you know that? That is why your madam is not your mother. Your mother doesn't spark emotion sexually towards you. But your madam, male and female, against each other, is against. Because you must know the content of a room being created for immorality. So you must watch out, okay? Your madam emotion can spark towards you. Potiphar wife, the place we read in Genesis chapter 39, saw Joseph, verses 7, 8, 9, and spark up. Joseph had been with her, but that day, she saw the handsomeness in Joseph. Your mother will see handsomeness in you and be proud. This my son. Your mother can see the handsomeness in you and say, oh my God, I wish I can have him, to feel him. Emotions want to feel. They want to take advantage of everything. So don't lose guard and say it's my mother. Your madam is not your mother. If Potiphar's wife could not be Joseph's mother, your madam is like your mother. Don't feel pain. It's not enough situation, no occasion. We are speaking about much percentage. Let's keep on to say. I will ask before, do you think Potiphar's wife purposely? No, you could say that it was not at the beginning. The guy has actually gained ground, became a good guy, trusted, and the trust of Potiphar. Everything was, it takes time before Potiphar could trust this guy and gave everything to Joseph, which means it was not the day one. Now he's now handsome. Why he came as a slave. It's now what to do. The mother has taken this boy as his son, her son for years. And now the guy is now on. So when you stay so long in that company, it's not your madam idea to be like that at the beginning. Your madam might have taken you as a son from beginning. But because you are not the son really, something can grow. So we're talking about proximity, building intimacy, and bringing in adultery. That's the issue. It's not because someone bargained for it. So that's why you should be watchful. Like Joseph. So when it sparks beyond the mother expectation, the mother desire, then you know that serpent is coming in. Let's take some of the warning signs that your madam, your good madam, your boss is after you. Excessive care. See, there is care, but it should not be excessive. Excessive care means when a woman loves you, she desires to talk to you even better than the husband. She desires to talk to you better than the husband. Okay? She wants to share everything. You see her so feeble around you when she's talking. Gradually, you see, my madam can tell me everything. No, brother. Your madam is a woman. She ought not to tell you everything. And you are enjoying it. Why is your madam telling you everything? She's lost out emotionally. Her walls are falling. Excessive care, wanting to talk to you every time. It's not because he loves you as a son. No. She's going too deep. Even talking about the husband. Another warning sign. She could be serving you better than even the husband. Unless there is riches everywhere. But you see, there is this preference. There's this, she wants you to notice how caring she is. Because when a woman starts loving you, she starts doing better. She will serve you better than the husband. She wants you to eat her. She wants you to test her meal. She wants you to be happy. Then there is too much. You watch out. It's a sign. Okay? Did you still say your madam is your mommy? Will your mommy serve you better than your father? Will your mother serve you better than her husband and your father? No. Everybody serve love as best. You begin to know. Okay? Another shame. She could deny the husband call while talking to you. Even about office duty. The husband will be calling. She's in the office with you. You are with the office with your madam. She doesn't want to talk to the husband. She feels your company. She feels talking to you better. It could happen in some emergency. Maybe you are talking about company business or something important you want to meet up. And you tell your husband will get back to you. He knows. But within yourself, you know, we are talking about you in the shoe, not another person. So when you know that, this thing my husband is telling me doesn't make, my madam is telling me doesn't even make sense, that will make her not to pick the husband call. We're talking about you now, okay? You know that this thing that is making my madam to value my time more than picking the husband call is nothing. That means my madam is finding solace in me, finding comfort in me more than the husband. Guy, you begin to pack your load very soon, because you are soon running like Joseph before you went to prison, before you look your coat of glory. Know what is your coat of many colors this time? It's your glory. Okay? The other thing you notice that she keep promoting you fast. She's not promoting you in the office more than others. Even when you didn't do much, she's promoting you. What is the promotion geared towards? Towards getting close to her. You notice that all the promotion is bringing you more closer to her. It's not sending you out far away. See, seriously, the time is on. Finished, almost finished. I will continue this very part. There's something to learn. When you notice that your madam is excessively doing stuff that she keep promoting you close to her, she desire you to come, and she promotes you when you are not due for it. You know you are not due. The people who are due for it. And some of you say, praise God, the Lord did it. The Lord did not do this one. The Lord did not do this one. Oh, you did this one. Oh, God did not do this one. Oh, this is Spotify words that want to send every other person away and let Joseph be around. You notice when Joseph came home, there was nobody around. Joseph was not very close. So she keep promoting. When your madam, a woman or a man, keep promoting you, and this promotion is bringing you close to them. Be watchful. You are heading for destruction. God bless you. My name is Pastor Gloria. I will continue. My madam is a very good mommy. It's a mother to me. I want to continue now. Let's go. Shalom.